Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this episode of Slightly Entertaining. Today, we're talking, literally the topic of the podcast is noise.
Which we make a lot of, so we're experts.
So you're in the right place if you want to hear about noise, but we'll start with the national today.
And if you've got this on mute, I guess you can't hear
if you've got this on mute,
on silent,
maybe unmute it just so you can hear us.
They wouldn't be able to hear it anyway, so you know what, you're lost.
So today's national today is International Yada 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 Day, which makes
wobbly,
sense.
wobbly.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Which is popularized by Seinfeld.
Oh,
Apparently the phrase yada yada yada.
Yada yada yada.
And it's also National Gorgeous Grandma Day. And you want to know who the world's hottest grandma is, according to the internet?
Who?
Gina Stewart, who is an influencer, and she looks like this. I'll put it on the screen.
Okay.
So that's the days for today.
Nice.
But I wanted to start off with something sort of topical, like a little bit of just news I've seen.
Yeah.
And look, I know it's probably not actually that funny, and the things that were said are not the funniest, but I just find the concept of it so hilarious. Did you see someone hacked Elmo's Twitter account?
Yeah, I did. It's X actually.
Sorry.
Excuse me, it's not Twitter, it's X.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I saw that. It started posting like, wait, what was it about again? Do you have them?
I've got the things. They're pretty bad. Like, obviously we don't stand for this stuff, but it's funny just to think that Elmo is posting this.
I love the comments where it's like, yeah, he was hacked.
Yeah. So we've got release the files at real Donald Trump child bleep.
I think that's the one that I first saw. Yeah.
And then he's got kill all bleep. Which is wild to think is coming from Elmo, but yeah.
Elmo. Oh,
and then
no.
there's another one, which I don't really want to read, but I'll bleep it out. There might be a lot of bleeping, but Elmo says all bleep should die. Bleep, bleep. Donald Trump is bleep because he is in the Epstein files. Bleeps control the world and need to be exterminated.
Almost spilling all the secrets.
He really is going wild. So I just wanted to talk about that because
No,
I thought it
that's
was
hilarious.
quite funny.
Do you think he's been hacked, or do you think that's actually Elmo speaking his mind? He's been held hostage by Sesame Street for so long, he needs to speak out his mind.
I think maybe someone from Sesame Street hacked it. Maybe the Cookie Monster has hacked into his account. Maybe there's
Maybe
beef.
someone took Rocco.
Yeah, everyone was saying it's Rocco.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Whoosh. So on the topic of noise,
Yeah.
a little while ago we had this trend going around that we're late to the trend. Don't make fun of us, whatever. That mind if I play some white noise? Mind if I play some brown noise?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that little thing for you.
Obviously.
Yeah. And we've kind of come up with some white and brown noise.
Yeah.
To celebrate diversity today.
Celebrate our differences. We're gonna
Bleep.
stop it right there. We're gonna stop it right there.
Yeah. To combat Elmo's views, we're gonna celebrate diversity today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carmen, do you mind if I play some brown noise while we have a quick nap?
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Keisha, do you mind if I play some white noise while I sleep?
Recording me now? Hey, Internet! This man and his Doberman just attacked me and my Chihuahua!
It's not a Doberman.
Karen. Mind if I play some brown noise again?
Of course.
Jeremy, you are useless. Why are you not doctor? Why are you not lawyer? Why you are always messing things up? You don't clean the house. You don't help. Are you cool?
Real. Keisha, mind if I play some white noise while I sleep?
Yes.
Oh.
But continue.
Okay.
It sounds better than this.
What flavour drink did you get?
Iced matcha.
Carmen, I need some music to help me sleep again.
Hair smell to hai. Pooja, what is this behavior? I'm sorry, I kicked it by mistake. You can't kick it by mistake. Pick it up if it bothers you. You will pick it up.
Mind if I play some white noise while I... Oh.
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together. Little lucky penny when you're...
Didn't know it went on that long.
I'm just going to play some brown noise again for you.
Whoa, wait. No.
Sounds of your ancestors.
It's me just sleep talking sometimes. Sorry.
You mind if I play some white noise while I sleep?
It sounds like Aldi.
It's in the McDonald's.
I know. It just sounds like Aldi. Sorry, I just need this like brown stuff to help me sleep at night.
Oh, brown stuff.
I don't want to keep saying brown noise. I just
Okay.
need this brown stuff to help me
Yep,
sleep
of
at
course,
night.
Of course.
98 out of 100? What happened to the other 2 marks? Why not 100 out of 100? Did everyone in the class laugh at you for getting such low marks? Even your teacher. I'm sure she's so disappointed with this. I've never seen 98 in my family before. We've only gotten 100. Which questions you got wrong, huh? Show me. You don't know how to do this? As far as I'm concerned, you failed. 90.
Just louder for the people in the back. Hey, Keisha, do you mind if I play some white noise while I sleep?
Oh, thank God, it's the good version. I swear to God, no! I thought it was the good version. No, I thought it was the good version. Sorry, I just need some music playing in the background for my brown self. Oh, it's quite long. Just let it play.
Light up, Skechers. Light up my path. I like your Skechers. You like me, my Gucci shoes.
Sorry, just listen to some music
So soothing.
in the meantime. Yeah.
So soothing. All right, Keisha, Can I play some white noise for you?
Oh, it's so triggering. Thank you for that. Thank you. I understand you need some music too.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Just helps me sleep.
I'm just gonna play some brown noise if you don't mind.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Short and sweet. That was
Short
a
and sweet.
quick little nap.
May I please play some noise while I sleep?
It's so white. I haven't heard of it. It's so white. I have no idea what this is.
I'm reaching another level of whiteness.
Yeah, beyond
Never been to church camp. Waves of mercy, waves of grace.
the. Sorry, I just need
Of course.
some
go
brown
ahead,
noise
go ahead,
again.
Go ahead.
You'll not be getting your phone back until you get full marks. No phone, schmon, moan, nothing. Whole time you are going out. Movies, schmovies, parties, shorties. Every week it's something new. I'll not be buying you any more makeup, schmakeup, all that garbage you wear on your face.
I just need some brown noise.
Sorry, let me just play some white noise while I sleep.
I think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life.
That one gets me in touch with my ancestors.
I just like to listen to some more brown songs while I sleep
Yeah,
again.
of course.
Ding dong, eat it well and mix it up. Ding dong, what the fuck will come to your door and give it to you one?
That's one of my favourites. It's a personal favourite.
Personal favorite, yeah.
Do you mind if a white girl play a little brown noise when she sleeps?
Yeah, that's alright, don't worry. It's for all of us. We're a shade community.
Mind if I play some white songs while I sleep?
Go ahead.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in?
Just another one on my Spotify playlist, if you don't mind, of brown music.
Oh, it's gonna be forever. Oh, it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. If the high goes for the
that's actually the that's Taylor's version.
Ah, of course.
Yep.
Mind if I just play another white song while I sleep?
Taking away downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
I feel like that's a universal song. That song unites races. I feel like everyone can get behind that.
I'm just gonna play some more brown noise.
My life, my rules, my style, my attitude. You
Sorry, I
my
think you just,
life,
I-
my rules.
I think you played your daily affirmations instead of your sleeping noise.
Yeah, I might have clicked on the wrong thing there.
Mind if I play some white noise while I go to sleep? Let me squeeze right past you.
I'm just gonna have some
Yeah.
background like
Yeah. Noise while you sleep.
Noise, yeah.
That's fine. That's fine.
it's just so calming.
It is. I just play a little white noise while I sleep.
So-
I have a bone to pick with you.
I'm just gonna listen to some more
Yeah.
brown noise music.
Why did you ghost me? You said you loved me. Those lovely promises were fake or what? Na.
That's my favorite.
I'm glad you enjoyed that one too.
That one did numbers on Instagram
Real
Reels.
fact.
Mind if I make a little white noise while I sleep? You're on thin ice, pal.
Didn't know you were American. I'm just gonna make some brown noise while I sleep. Welcome to 7-Eleven. No, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just like, just like, I love 7-Eleven.
Don't know where you got that idea from.
Krispy Kreme donuts are there,
Of
you know?
course, of course. Sorry, I'm just going to sleep. I make a little white noise while I sleep, if that's okay. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Can see you a little bit angry there.
Just channel it while I sleep.
So I'm just gonna play some brown noise while I sleep. This should be it, and then
Yeah.
we'll fall asleep.
Yeah, of course.
That was such a peaceful sleep.
Oh, I feel so rested
yeah,
and nourished.
me too.
Thanks for listening.
We hope that maybe we made our listeners fall
Yeah.
asleep.
Well, should we wake them back up?
I know exactly what to wake them up with. Just to wake everyone
Yeah,
up if
just
they
wake everyone up.
haven't woken up. This is I wouldn't say neither brown nor white noise, just general noise
Yes. Yeah.
to wake up. You should all be awake now.
Yeah. Oh, they better be at that greatness.
yeah.
So now we're going to play some games.
Yeah.
Okay, we were going to play a game that's that sound, but before that, I have a little bit of a tangent to go on.
Yeah.
So I've found, the most weird noises I make, right, are whenever I'm greeting someone when you walk past them on the street. I genuinely, in that split second, forget how to function as a human.
Yeah.
And for the next 5 minutes after, I'm walking by myself going, what is that? Like, how are you alive?
What
How
do
are
you
you a
say?
functioning adult? Like, I don't know. I've had ones right now, I've just been going with a smile and nod,
Yeah.
and that's worked well because
Yeah. Who are you saying hi to when walking past?
like old ladies or families.
just ignore and keep going.
But then I feel rude, so I'm like, well, I better do something.
No, but you're like doing your own thing. You're like, looking down.
But like, if they have headphones in, or they're not paying attention, or if they don't speak English, sometimes it can be a bit difficult. And so, like, I've had ones where I have to go, and then like walk past, and like, genuinely that they'll smile at me, they'll say hello, and I just go, and like walk past, like genuinely
Real
that's
though,
happened to
sometimes
me.
it's like, oh, what did I just say?
Like pretend you're crossing me in the street, and this is how my normal reaction will go. You got to say something, like you initiate it.
Hello, dear.
And then I just walk past, and I'm like,
But it's like, it's not like they're gonna meet you again, So it's like,
I know,
does
but
it
it's
really
just
matter?
like, so they just don't think I'm a human. Like, I'm clearly just not
lol.
capable. Anyways,
That reminds me of
yeah.
I had, it's nothing to do with noise. It just reminded me of a really awkward thing. So at work yesterday or the other day, whatever it was, on Sunday, I was serving this like mother and her 3 kids, right? Okay, you can't blame me. They all had long hair, and the one in the middle was wearing pink, and they all had like
Oh, no.
sketches. I thought it was a girl, so I said, and this one for her, and she's like, him.
Oh.
And I was like, oh, and I didn't know what to.
Did she mention it before?
No, I was like, no, because I thought, right, she had 3 kids. I thought, okay, yeah, the middle one's a girl. The one on the, like, leftmost to me, I was like, is that a boy or girl? I was wondering. And I even went back to, like, one of my coworkers. I was like, I don't know whether this kid is a boy or girl. Not even the one I called
Yeah.
this other one. So I just went, oh, this is for them, because I didn't want to say
Yeah.
anything. And because I confidently thought the middle one was a girl, like, long blonde hair,
no.
pink, wearing sketches. I was like, not that, you know, it's just like, just
Keisha, you're digging
first,
yourself a
okay?
hole here.
oh my god. And I went, oh, for her, and she's like, him. I was like, oh, I'm sorry, I just pink. And I didn't form a sentence.
Sorry, it's pink.
Yeah, I didn't know what to say. I was so.
You
like,
just say, I'm so sorry.
I said sorry. I said,
Yeah.
oh, sorry, I just saw pink and I don't know.
Oh my gosh, no.
And then I went back and I was like, what did you just do, Keisha? What is wrong with you? Why didn't you just say that? I was the one that I
Yeah.
confidently thought that was a girl. I was like switching up between for the other kid, but I was like, no, that.
It's those moments.
BRB gonna jump off a cliff.
It's those moments after those interactions where you literally just sit in silence by yourself, and I'm like,
And I just
I'm
had
like,
to-
what am I? Like,
I had
what did
to be
what did
nice
I-
to her the rest of the time. Like, oh yeah.
Let me
Because
just,
I
let me
had
just
to
put in my
continue serving her
discount.
for like the next 5-10 minutes. I was like,
Oh goodness me!
oh, thank you. Have a good day.
I'm sure she won't be
Oh,
back.
my god.
Yeah, you'll never see her again because she will not be back.
But like, I just okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
All right, do you want to play Write That Sound?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll each take a second
Go
to,
from the back of the
oh.
book. There's stuff on that side.
to write a sound. Do you mind
Write
if I fold
a
it?
sound.
Do you
Yeah,
mind?
that's fine.
To write a sound. So think of a sound, and you've got to write it, and then we've got to try and guess what the sound is.
When you mean sound, do you mean like just like a thing, or like the sound, like if I was to describe something?
Like this, like,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
you've got to write what that sounds like.
Okay. So I just have to think of something.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Do you want to go first?
Or just at the same time?
No, you go first, then I'll
Okay.
do mine. Wait, look at mine. We wrote the same sound.
Okay. Mine just doesn't have a K.
Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Yeah, and yours is whoosh, 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 whoosh.
So yours is what, like the waves, the wind? Whoosh, whoosh.
No.
Swish, swish, like shooting a hoop.
No. Yours is. I'm wondering if it is the same thing, but I don't want to say mine.
Yeah, I don't want to say mine either. I'll make my noise.
Oh. Waves washing?
No.
Whoosh, like a windscreen wiper?
No.
Oh.
What is the right track?
Okay. I don't know.
I can give you some hand
Yeah.
some visual aids.
Shaking a drink bottle?
Sort of.
In ice. Shaking ice.
Yes, shaking iced coffee.
Oh.
Is that yours?
Mine's.
Well, like windscreen wiper. That sounds like
No, it's.
spraying something. Can you give me a visual aid?
No, then it would be really obvious.
Mine was obvious. Writing on a whiteboard, on a blackboard,
like,
on paper.
yeah.
The noise you would literally
Yeah.
make in writing that.
Yes. I heard
see.
you writing and I went,
Oh,
yeah,
that's
that's a sound.
a good
Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
All right, another one.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
What is that? Okay, yours is bonk, bink, 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 bonk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yours is.
Sort of.
That's a P, not a B.
True.
Tap dancing.
Not really, but the tap is kind of close.
Okay.
I have no idea. Wait. Boink, bink, 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 bonk. Bonk.
I think
bink,
I actually did a
bonk,
great
bink,
job at
bink,
it.
Bonk. What, like
Found the lid.
a ball bouncing? A
No.
basketball bouncing?
No. It is specifically this number of letters. Like this
Oh.
number of.
Bonk, bink, 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 bonk.
You literally like have it. You just have to
What?
like think.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
Maybe say it a bit faster.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
Not that fast.
Bonk, 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 bonk. What?
Come on.
Bonk, 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 bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. What?
Maybe put a melody to it.
Bonk, 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 bonk. Oh! Nice.
I did that so well, didn't I? I was
did.
like, bonk, 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 bonk. The Android little ringtone that I
Nice.
had before. What is yours? Like water running down a tap.
No.
Does this go on forever, this sound? It's like,
It can until you choose to stop. Maybe more like. Chewing? No. You can make them like.
a hamster chewing?
No, not to do with chewing.
I don't know. Give me a hint.
I can give you a visual aid.
Okay. Typing.
Yes.
You when you're on FaceTime and your phone makes that loud noise because you're typing. It's like,
Yeah. Basically, I don't know why my phone does this, but when I type on FaceTime, it records it, and so all they can hear is.
it's so annoying and it's so loud
I'm
as
so sorry.
well.
I've tried to fix it. I
No,
don't
it's
know how.
okay.
I don't know how. Hey, what's another noise? Yeah, I got it.
Okay, me too.
Okay, ready? Bang!
Brewnig.
Close.
Brewnig.
Let's focus on the E's.
Bree.
Yeah, just try and make it maybe a lower register.
Bree. Like a horn?
Sort of, right area.
Bree. Like you're braking?
Brrr, brrr,
Like a car engine starting?
Yes.
Nice.
And yours, bang.
This is very specific and you have to get this very specifically.
This hitting the microphone stand.
That's
Bang.
not
That's not really Frank.
No.
Hitting something.
in a way.
Metal.
Yeah, I guess.
I guess.
Like metal hits something. Let's just say it like that.
Yeah, okay. So hitting metal, hitting when your spoon hits, I don't know, the plate. Can you do the sound for me?
Pang. That's the little G's.
Yeah, I see. I hear it now.
See?
Okay, that didn't help. That's what I was picturing. Can you give me a visual aid?
It'll be really obvious if I give you a visual aid.
Just give... hitting someone. Oh, like frying pan hitting someone.
Yes.
Got it.
Pang.
Bang. You want to do one more?
Yeah. Okay. This is so weird. Okay, this one might
Okay.
be tricky for you.
All right. Oh, what?
Flabrrt.
Exactly.
Flabrrt.
Sort of. Maybe not the high register.
Flabrrt.
Kind of.
Am I rolling my R's or not rolling my R's? Flabrrt.
Maybe more rolling your R's.
Flabrrt.
Yeah, something like that.
Flabrrt.
Exactly. You're a goat.
No, go.
Was that an R?
Yes. These are a little bit wishy-washy. Make them what you want.
Bird.
Kind of.
Bird.
Okay, it's not really... The last one's not really bird.
What's the last
It's
one?
just bird.
Bird.
Yeah.
Bird.
You literally got it, yeah.
What is that?
It's very, very specific.
Okay. Guess mine.
Flippert. Is the b-p important?
Not particularly. It's more like
Flippert. Like falling over?
not quite.
Flippert.
It'd be quite loud. The one I'm thinking of. But not really like a crashing. It's more of like a... There definitely is some sort of rollingness to it. Vibration, if you will.
Flippert.
Yeah, kind of.
Car stalling?
No. Can I give you a clue? It's a human noise.
A human. Is it a fart?
Yes. That's the best I could do. I'm sorry.
Now go.
Wait, give me like you know how I gave you give me an arena.
you're outside
Mhm.
with your friends
Mhm.
and you're laughing, and then suddenly something happens and you're not laughing anymore. Or actually, you probably would still be laughing, but then you'd probably not be laughing.
Well, like you trip over and fall face plant.
Similar, but not tripping over, but similar, that kind of thing happens.
You fall in a bush.
Close. The bud is important.
The bud.
Because bud wouldn't happen if you fell over in a bush.
Is it to do with a bush?
No.
Oh, that's what I was thinking. It's like,
But it's like, yes.
like you fall like down a hill and
no,
you
no,
land.
the
and
sound of the
Yeah.
bush is that sound, but it's not a bush.
So like you fall like down like a hill or something,
Not a
and
hill.
you're like crashing through foliage, and then you land on the ground. Bud.
No, but the foliage is correct.
So you fall through foliage
Yeah.
onto your bum.
Oh, sure.
Is it so? The bud is a specific part.
Yeah, it's like bud at the very end.
Onto what? Dirt?
Yeah, just like the
Oh,
ground.
that's what I was describing.
Yeah, but it's not a hill. I'm not saying it's a hill.
Oh, you just fall through something onto ground.
Yes.
Why are you mad at me?
But no, there's still more. You
Oh,
have to
there's
get
more?
it. It's like, what are you falling? Like, there's something. You're
so
like,
you're falling onto the ground.
yeah. But
But-
why is it a... Why would it be that? And the K's are important. The
Like breaking sticks.
Yes! So
What?
how would you be through foliage, breaking sticks, and then on the ground?
You fall through a bush?
Not a
What?
bush!
A tree?
Yes!
How do you fall through a tree?
You're on a bridge and you fall from a
off
tree. Yes!
Oh, gotcha.
You're so
Gotcha.
silly. You were like, there, but you weren't getting it. I'm like, yes.
That was fun.
That was fun, yes.
Okay, next segment.
Whoosh.
Okay, so now we're going to play some sounds only charades, which is basically what we were doing, except we don't have to write it now. You have to make a sound, I have to try and guess. I make a sound, you try and guess.
Okay.
Yeah? I've
Yeah.
got one to start off quite easy, I think.
Okay.
Wait.
Like a dog whining?
No.
I don't know
what else to do.
No idea what. Can you act it? Give me some actions now.
No, it's sounds only.
Yeah, but
I
like
can
if
give
I
you-
can't get it.
I can give you, we've heard the sound in the episode already.
Buddle buddle. Like the notification when your like seatbelt isn't on.
Sort of. We've played this sound in the episode.
Yeah.
Have we played that sound in the episode?
No, but I'm trying to think of what it is. Buddle buddle. Oh, like the scammer, like
sort
when you're
of.
on the phone.
Close.
Oh, the 7-Eleven thing.
Not quite. I played the sound.
Oh, the McDonald's
Yes.
cashier thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Your turn.
Excuse me if it's rusty the first time.
Yeah,
round.
that's fine.
But
Mine was too.
It was like it's like it would be like
Like a bomb.
no, but like
Sort of.
close.
What's that?
Maybe not but it's like and then
Are you shooting something and then it lands?
yeah,
Catapulting something?
yeah.
Um,
The important thing is the like
slingshot?
No.
Not like a
Like-
gunshot. Gunshot would
No,
be
no, no.
different. Yeah.
It's like and then
Like a catapult.
Yeah, but it's not a catapult.
A trebuchet.
No, it's not a catapult.
Okay, well, what else makes the where you I'm thinking like, you know, not like like a slingshot, but they're tied with a rope and then you cut the rope. What else can you release? Give me something else. Give me something else.
I'm throwing this thing.
Okay. Is there like some sort of release mechanism or is there
No, but you need to do this for this
like
thing
a
to-
grenade?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like the you pull
yeah,
the
yeah,
thing,
yeah.
and then
I was thinking because you said no bombs. I was like, okay, not a grenade, but
well, I said it's like a.
yeah. Okay, makes sense. All right, let me think of one.
Let me also think of one.
Okay, I've got one. I don't know how I'm going to make this, so just bear with me for a second.
Like those warning alarms. It sounds like there's like emergency alarm.
Not quite. Like a.
Why are you guys croaky? I'm gonna need more.
Okay, I can paint the picture for you. So you're in a place and they're going. And then everyone's going, ah!
Like suddenly breaking?
No.
E.
Think of it like really, really loud and piercing. More piercing than I can get. Not quite. But it's like, it's a bit subtle. It's like
Like a high pitched noise?
Sort of, it is a bit high pitched. Yeah.
What? I don't know. But would it be in like an emergency? Because you said
No.
people are like, and why are they going up?
No, but people don't like this noise. So they're going, ah!
A dog whistle.
No.
For dogs.
Dog whistle, I go,
Oh, I don't know.
do you need visual aids?
Yeah. Oh, nails on a chalkboard. Oh, I see what you mean now.
All right.
I understand. Okay, I thought of one.
Mhm.
How do I do this? It's like a. No, not really. It's like a. So at first you go, like it's like, shh, shh, and then you might, and then it would be shh.
What?
Like you go, you do the. It's like shh, or like you know to whatever extent.
Yeah.
You do, it's
So
like
like
a
opening
shh,
something? Or like
kind of, yeah. It's like shh, and then you go, and then
Opening a can.
no, and then you like do whatever with it, and then at the end, when you're done, it's like
Opening a zip?
no,
Opening something.
it's not opening.
Oh. Are you sliding something?
Kind of, yeah. Something is sliding.
Like opening, like sliding a sword out of a sheath.
No, but it's like the same sound,
Ching, ching.
but it's no ching.
Oh.
It's the same sound though, sort of.
So
but to-
sliding something out of something.
Yeah.
Not like a lightsaber.
No.
She's
That's
got
not
one on her
lightsaber
wall.
noise. That's not lightsaber noise.
Mm.
Not really the. It's like
I'm just making noises to help me think.
it's like. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a
Yeah?
good one. What I just did.
I'm thinking just like suitcase or sword or something. What's the arena?
When you're, it could be anywhere. Like you could use it when you need this particular thing.
Is it like an everyday usage? Sort
Not every day,
but often?
people would have it.
EpiPen?
No, people would have it.
Just
Just because you'd need it for something at some point. I mean, some people might not have it, but like I feel like it's just standard in a household for you to have it.
in a household. Okay.
Yeah, or you could also use it not in a household, but
Taking a knife out the knife.
no,
That's the same as a sword.
it's a tool.
A tool. Okay. What are the tools? Not a hammer, screwdriver. Oh, like the tape measure.
And you like retract it back. And it's like,
Yes.
shh.
Nice. That was good.
Yeah.
I see that.
Thank you.
All right. I've got one. We'll do one more. Okay, so you go. Wait, let me just think about it. Wait, no. No, that's about it.
What?
So it's like a.
Like a lawnmower starting?
No. I'd say still household.
Okay. It's like
I don't think I'm doing the best noise.
It's like a shh to start it, and then shh doing it, and then shh to end it.
Sort of. It's like it's not really ended, but this is like the steps of it. You
Okay.
and then
Okay.
there's a bit of
Yeah.
while you're getting it sorted, and then
Yeah.
the second step is and then
A blender?
no.
What's the end step?
And step doesn't really make a noise.
Oh.
Oh, and then you can do the end step, and then it's like a ding, and then you go on your business. Maybe a and then you go
A
on your
washing
business.
machine or a dishwasher?
No. I'm literally painting the immersive. I'll do the whole immersive
Yeah,
experience.
go.
The silent bit, and then
Making eggs. Okay.
what?
I was picturing it, okay? It fit, making eggs.
No, and
Okay.
then you go doing, doing, and then you go, and then you go.
Washing dishes.
No, it's a very specific thing.
What? Is it in the house you'd do it?
Yes, you have done it many times. I assume, pretty sure.
What? What? I didn't get it.
I'd say not maybe once a month you do it. Or a couple times a month.
Wait. Wait, is it like something to do with like wait, let me say it like this. Can you do it in a place that's not home?
Yeah.
Does it something to do with feminine hygiene? Changing a pad. I see it now.
Yes.
The tuk tuk tuk. And then put it back.
and then the doing is opening the bin.
Oh,
Put it in the bin. And then you doing close the bin. And then it's pulling up your pants. And then
You didn't flush the toilet?
I did. That was
Oh, okay.
I did so well.
Got to wash your hands.
Oh yeah.
You disgusting freak! You forgot to wash your hands!
No, I didn't. I never left. I
Disgusting.
never left the bathroom. I just did steps leaving the toilet. So maybe I was going to wash my hands.
Okay, I see,
Yeah.
I see.
I do wash my hands, just to
Nice.
clarify. Okay, well, I don't know how
Thank you.
entertaining that was.
So entertaining.
We had fun.
We just had a bunch of sounds the whole episode. Just cut to any moment and we'd just be like...
More nonsense than last episode.
Exactly.
But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.
This is DJ Cumin and MC Key signing out. Good night.